Morning guys, we're in Little India today. We're staying at the Great Madras Hotel. It's like a Wes Anderson theme, really cool, nice little hotel in the heart of Little India. Today we're going to do some shooting, so Tess has rented a couple of dresses, so we're going to shoot around the hotel a little bit. So join us, we hope you enjoy it. First stop, coffee, always.
First things first, you always want to make sure you're happy with what's in your frame. Obviously you can't always be moving furniture around, but if you can straighten things up or move things out of the way that don't fit or look cluttered, then you'll thank yourself later. If you've already scouted out a location prior or have some inspo or poses in mind, then that's a good place to start. Review the photos after the first view so you can check if you're happy with where it's going or change it up if it isn't working. Movement and shape add visual interest as well as adding character and life to the image. Twirling, especially when wearing a flowy or shapely skirt or dress, can look great caught at the right moment. It can be a bit hit or miss though, so just keep moving and snapping.
When you have everything right, when the dress is right, the lighting's right, and the set is right,
So good.
photography is actually fun.
I mean, we're usually battling with like really strong light or grey skies and just the humidity and just sweat. But I mean, we're literally staying in a hotel, so it's perfect. I'm all ready, I'm not too hot, the light is great, it looks like a movie set, so
It's amazing.
Very happy.
Actually fun. Like usually by this point, one of us has lost the plot.
really meltdown. Don't be afraid to try different angles and work with what's around you. Sometimes I even take on a persona to help me figure out how I want to pose or how I fit into the set. In this case, I was the boss lady, creating angular shapes with my upper body and with a more serious face and strong gaze. Mac played around with the foreground too, moving behind the foliage to get a different perspective and frame. The Great Madras is like a movie set. It's literally a Wes Anderson movie set. Everything is so photogenic, and we stayed here for the night. It was like $80, super cheap, and we've got the place to ourselves. So very happy, and it's just like so easy to shoot here. We're all smiles this morning.
We really are. It's very rare that we're not the most stressed people in the world. Singapore, like, it's very difficult to shoot in, but for some reason, just the way that this place is set out, I mean, even you can see now, just the light is perfect. It like sort of bounces off all of the walls and then just creates like a really nice diffused light.
And I've got this Dior dress from the Treasure Collective, which is a rental service, and it's literally the perfect dress for setting. I feel like I'm in a movie.
Could you move that chair out of the way? In fact, let's move them both. And I want you to look through the window at me. So go right.
Using a reflection by shooting through a mirror is another really fun way to get an interesting shot.
I like that. I like when you like something. I mean, do you get any more Wes Anderson than this? Probably go less smiley and more serious. Okay, so the sign says lights, camera, action. What would you say on action? When you sit like that, I can't really see the dress though. It's better when you start.
Don't forget to think about how your arms and legs work with what you're wearing. Try a few different positions, as it's always better to have more options. I just just wanted to show you how cute this wallpaper is, because it's like super like Wes Anderson themed and like really cute colours, but then it's also like Singapore themed, so you can see Marina Bay Sands and the Art Science Museum, and it's just so cute. Like there's all these, I think this is the National Gallery. It's literally so cute. Look at this book. Ginger has opened a pop-up trifle bistro in an old Spitfire. Every Friday he DJs in a club where all the furniture has been burned deliberately. Hipsters like to collect old things that are unfashionable because that makes them fashionable. Vintage washing up bowls are highly prized because they look neither retro nor valuable and are therefore both.
Anyway, back to photographs. Change of outfits.
Okay, so I'm wearing another dress from the Treasure Collective. This is an Anna Sui piece. Little high neck, which we like, kind of has a retro feel. And there's little like shooting stars all over it, which is so cute. And also this really sweet headband with these little dangly bits that look like earrings.
Dangly bits.
Dangly bits. Interact with your surroundings, and if you have props to play with, use them. We had so much fun shooting around the Great Madras, right in the heart of Little India. This place really is something out of a Wes Anderson movie. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.